I wanted to talk about some of the most important things, tools that I've added to my workshop. A lot of them are beyond my table saw, my joiner, my planer, my lathe, chop saw, and things like that. So this is about 400-pound lift. Comes with a really nice control. And I use it for everything from, this is a drawer from a project that I'm working on where I don't want to be working leaning down, but I want to be working and applying finish or doing finish sanding up at a comfortable level, much better for your back. I also use it, and I'll show you in a minute, to lift heavy parts up. I will use this to lift heavy tabletops that I am working on my rolling work table. And if I need to flip a tabletop, for example, to put in threaded inserts or to do sanding and scraping after a glue up, I can use this tool and take it off the table, because sometimes I did a couple of 8-foot commercial conference tables that are 1.5 inches thick and solid cherry or solid maple. Those weigh probably 150, 175 pounds, so beyond what is safe to lift as a single woodworker. So this lift, again, it's got a spool of, looks like about 50 feet of pretty heavy duty cable. Probably could be a little heavier duty. It does sometimes kink. But with this control, it's kind of like a larger factory control. You can lower this down and raise it up. The other nice thing is I have this mounted on a commercial channel called Unistrut. It can be bought from electrical supply stores or your big box stores. It runs, and I'll show you some detailed pictures in a minute, on 2 ball bearing trolleys that fit inside this, so that, imagine again, if this is a much heavier piece, you can move this along your unistrut. And this is a 10-foot unistrut. I used some heavy-duty bolts to lag it into my joists, which run this way in my shop, so that I'm going into, I think I went into 8 joists. So we lower the pulley, and the pulley comes with a lock on it. Lift this up. So as you'll see now, and I would probably tie this down, but if I'm working on these rails or doing finish sanding or chamfering the bottoms of my legs, which I do, the lift really comes in handy. I'm working at a very comfortable height. This probably only weighs 50 or 60 pounds, but so this is probably one of my favorite pieces of equipment that I installed in my shop, especially as someone who works 99% on their own. Feel free, if you want, to reach out to me and you know, to see how I installed it. Again, Cam has a good video on Blacktail Studio on how he did it. The unistrut comes in 10-foot lengths. I have caps at either end so that this won't fly off. It's another angle on the trolleys. They're pretty hard to see, but you get the idea. There are 4 wheels, 2 on each side on each trolley. I have 2 trolleys. I do not remember where I bought them, and I did a 4-inch GRK structural screw. Again, I think I did 8 on this. So again, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and absolutely put in any comments you have if you have questions. I try to answer all of these. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Bye. These are the Unistrut dollies that I mentioned previously. I have two of these. They're four wheels each. They slide into the Unistrut and they mount easily to the winches. So please like and subscribe. Send me any questions. Thanks again for watching.